Good Wednesday morning, everyone. Starting out quiet after a quick band of snow moved through Interstate 69 last night. Watch out for a couple of slick spots here and there, especially on the secondary roadways, but the majority of this was very light, so it didn't create too many problems for your morning commute. Some clearing skies now moving in. Those clearing skies have allowed temperatures to drop into the single digits for some spots. We're at 7 in Cairo, 8 in Alma, 2 in Clare, approaching 0. We're at 6 in Tawas, but the rest of us seeing teens. We're at 14 in Bay City and Saginaw, low teens, 11 and 12 for Owasso and Flint. Quiet day today, beautiful day today, considering that it's been so snowy as of late. We'll actually start to see some sunshine moving in throughout the morning and into the afternoon as well, but late in the afternoon, closer to sunset and beyond, we'll start to watch for increasing clouds and some snow moving in after midnight. This is going to be phase 1 of a 2-part storm system that is likely going to deliver widespread accumulating snows of more than 3 inches across the entire area, with some spots getting more than 6 inches, especially for the Tri-Cities and to the north. That's where the heaviest of snowfall will likely occur with this system. So this could be one of our bigger systems that we've seen so far this winter season. Well, let's paint it on Futurecast for you, time it out. Not a problem, though, for the majority of our day today. We've got this bubble of high pressure, which is an area of calm, quiet weather. You get the sunshine most of the time, but it scoots to the east pretty quickly, and that's going to allow the cloud cover to build, and there's the snow by 10 and 11 o'clock tonight. It starts to move into places near Mount Pleasant and Alma, up towards Houghton Lake, and even West Branch. We could start seeing some snowfall by about 11 o'clock or so. Now, as we go into the overnight, it'll become a bit more widespread, with the heaviest from M46 to the north. So that includes the Tri-Cities, the northern thumb, and our northern communities. We could be picking up tonight, even before sunrise, about an inch of snow. A few isolated spots, 2 inches of snow. I think about an inch possible around the Flint metro area, but it looks like the heaviest will stay to the north until tomorrow afternoon. Then a secondary system, and remember, it's a 2-part. Phase 2 will move in from the south and west, and that has some tropical moisture in it from the Pacific, but also from the Gulf of Mexico, meaning that it'll be heavier, and we have cold enough air in place to give us all snow, meaning that we could see some significant accumulations as we head towards tomorrow afternoon and evening. So winter storm watches are up from M46 to the north, including Saginaw, Bay City, also Midland. This is for the winter weather that's moving in tonight that could give us a couple of inches of snow. This will likely be upgraded to a warning later today, and we could see a winter storm watch issued for Interstate 69 later this afternoon, maybe even a winter weather advisory for the anticipation of, again, 3, 4, maybe even 5 inches of snowfall along the Interstate 69 corridor. So this is an early estimate. This is likely going to change tonight when newer data comes in, and also tomorrow morning. Be sure to wake up with us beginning at 5 a.m. where we'll have the latest on the estimated snow totals. I think a general 3 to 6 inch snowfall along Interstate 69, and somewhere on the order of 6 to 10 inches of snowfall from M46 to the north, with the heaviest maybe being the bullseye right around the Saginaw metro area, where some spots here could pick up more than 8 inches of snowfall. So that's why the winter weather watch, the winter storm watch, is in place for northern communities. We haven't seen those advisories yet for southern communities, with the anticipation of lower snow totals, but a very reliable winter model wants to bring the heavier snow totals a little bit more to the south, including Flint. So we'll be watching it very closely for you. Again, updates throughout the day on my Facebook page and also at mynbcnews.com. And then bright and early tomorrow morning, we'll have the latest beginning at 5 a.m. as the snow is already falling. So here we are again today, nice and quiet, 27. We drop down into the upper teens and low 20s tonight as the snow moves in. We'll climb into the low 30s tomorrow afternoon. Then we drop back into the low 20s Friday. So with that in mind, with temperatures getting so cold Friday morning, even with the salt out on the roadways, the plowing, there will likely be a lot of snow-covered roads Friday morning. Then we have a break Friday afternoon into your Saturday. By Sunday and Monday, our next storm system arrives. With it will come some warmer air, so I'm not expecting too much in the way of accumulation, as this one will have a little bit of a rain mix with it until we go into Tuesday when the colder air returns.